Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this time I'm up with a very soft yet glam look y'all can go for. It's super simple and easy. So starting off with my brows using Christine's contour palette in the shade number 3. Carving out my brows using the Dermacool foundation in the shade number 210. And then using same foundation to prime my eyes. Now using Kryolan's Aqua Interference in Silver, I'm highlighting my brow bone. Starting with this brown, kind of brick red shade from the Glamorous Face palette, I'm applying it on my outer corner. And then going back in the same palette using this orange shade for my crease and blending it all the way towards the inner corner. And now to blend the both shades together, I'm going to grab the same palette and using this kind of pale orange as my transition shade. Now for the lid shade, I'm going to go and use this gold shade from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is a copy. And then, of course, to add the glam, I'm going to use this Sparkling Dust by Christine Cosmetics in the shade 165 on top of that gold we applied earlier. Then, going back with whatever left on the brush and blending everything together. Now, going back in the same palette, I'm using this brown shade again to blend the lower lash line. Now, taking the black color from the same Glamorous Face palette, I'm darkening up the lower lash line. And now for the mascara, I'm using my all-time favorite Falsies by Maybelline. Taking the Ingla gel liner in black, I'm just lining my lash line for now, completing the liner later. Now highlighting my inner corner using the Rose Gold palette by Revolution. And for the lashes, I'll use the female lashes in the style makeup. Now completing my liner using the Inglot Gel Liner in black. Now, of course, you can go as much dramatic as you want to, but for me, I like to do a small wing liner for this look. Now, to prime my face, I'm using the Dermacool Satin Makeup Base. It really makes your foundation blend like a dream. For concealing, I'm using the Kryolan Stevie Paint Stick in the shade FS36. Now, for the foundation, I'm taking the Dermacool foundation in the shade 215. Then setting it using the Rimmel London Stay Matte in the shade 001. And now to catch any fallout, I'll be using the loose powder by MAC Spectre under my eyes. Then to tightline my eyes and to blend the lower lash line, I'm using Inglot's Gel Liner in the shade black. And to blend it, I'll use the same brown color from the Glamorous Face palette. And bronzing my face using the Bora Milano in the shade 08. And now for the contouring, I'll be using the Christine Cosmetics contour palette in the shade number 1. For the blush, I'm taking the NYC Shimmer Blush in Crystal Ruby. Using the Sleek Highlight and Contour palette in the shade Light, I'm highlighting the highest points of my face. And to line and fill my lips, I'm using this kind of nude pencil by Tony and Tina. You can use any nude shade you wish. And for that extra pop, I'm using this foiled lip gloss by Lancome. You can use any clear gloss as well. So that concludes the whole look for today. No cut crease, nothing dramatic. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, then make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, you can follow me on my Insta and Facebook.